I mean, for stylists too, it's kind of cool. Let's see why we'll use that later. What up, people? Veronica Ridge. Welcome to my YouTube. Okay, I filmed a Dyson Airwrap tutorial and bombed it. All right, so I'm realizing now my hair was too dry to be doing this. So I will say that I think this is a really great tool for my clients. You get a lot of body on straight hair because typically you have to pull it with the brush just to get the brush through. So I was really impressed with the amount of body, but I will say there's a learning curve. Hence, I already filmed the video, I bombed it. My hair was a bit dry, so now we're gonna do it again. And I'm pretty much just gonna do it as if I'm a consumer and I got it for the first time. If there's something I might think of, I'll pipe in. Here we go. Dryer, I'm pretty much dry already. A good percentage. Right, I'm gonna pop off this attachment. I'm gonna attach this brush. This different bristle flat brush feels like in my hair. I forgot. Also, it's not too curly. And yeah, I'm a late bird to this Dyson thing, but I really like it, and I find that it's a really good tool. I'm always looking for something for my clients that is easy to use, and most importantly, doesn't further the damage if they have damage or create more damage. So I think that this Airwrap is gonna be a really good tool for a lot of clients.